The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a Scott tornado warning for northwestern County in south central Wisconsin, southwest Marquette County in south central Wisconsin until 9 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles east of Wisconsin, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated our impact. Flying caught will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. Damage is likely. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Endeavor, and Riggsville. Take call now. Move to a base or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
You shitting me? Hassle. Maze.